A, R, J, and V, it is there to tell you that you must put something there. Like you must write something. You must send the command. The user, you must put there your data, just for it to move in this way or the other way. You see? But for the other code, you remember I had already put my coordinates there. So let me simulate this with this one, and maybe you can come and put how you want it to move. You can't go up to 7.0 because my small robots can just put that centimeter. If there is no anything there, I can run my total, and my total will just be there doing nothing. Yeah, hey, there is video command equals ongoing. Let me yeah, it was still, you see, it is still ongoing, so I must stop this. No, now I stop this. If I run the total, it will just be there doing nothing. Because there is no commands. But if I want it to move in a way I want, we just do this. Let us simulate this, my robot controller, and then the other code is where the other code I want to simulate. Is this robot driver. Maybe you can just come. That is the title. So you must look how can you simulate these codes. These codes, if you can see very well, you have a publish message. You will publish message. You create a publisher, but you don't have a subscriber for this one. And also you have the linear velocity and all that. And you must put three variables. You must put the linear velocity, the x-axis, z-axis, and the y-axis. You see? So how can you simulate that one? How can you simulate this? You remember, if you remember very well, after I have ROS 2 run my robot controller where it is, and then setup. I got the setup. I look for this robot drawer. Yeah, and then I have my robot drawer is there. You see my robot drawer is where? This one, and then the name I must put is this one, robot drawer. You see? So you must just go back here, go back in the command prompts. You have already your turtle. Let me put my turtle always on top, and then this one, like you put there your code. I have already ROS 2 run my robot controller, and then you put what robot drawer. See, yeah, you just write robot drawer. And then you have, no, you don't have space. You remember, you don't have space there. You have that small slash keyboard. Yeah, and then you assign. Maybe you want to move, maybe you can say 1.0 and then 2 point something. You remember you must not go up to 7.0. So just put there. Maybe, yeah, 2.5 and then, no, 3. You remember, you have 3. 2.5 and then you, that space, you put the other variable. 3.6, yeah, okay, and then maybe you put the other one 5.0 because it's a float. It's a float, so you must always have 0 and yeah, you have 5 point something and yeah, you have decimal numbers, and then you run. just by clicking here. It will run, you see? You see? It will run according, but you have put a very big number, so it will go up to 5 and then it will start just moving like that. You will not see where it is going because it will move first of all, like remember we are going in z-axis, x and y. Maybe if z-axis imetokea hapo, z-axis imefika directly hapo. When it will move in the y-axis, it will move in this way, maybe. And when it will move maybe in the z-axis again, it will go in this way again. And then hautaona tena inaenda wapi because itabaki tu huku sasa. Itabaki sasa tu huko because you will not see. And my screen is sio kubwa sana. But if you could have like a very big space and you have a real robot, it could move up to when it will stop. Because you have your data there. So we try to change. You can try to change those values, and you will see. Let me stop this, and then also stop my total. Stop this on here, and then I balance my total. Yeah, takuja hiyo. You know you have many species of data tools. So so let me run again that code, but I change the values. I change the values. Maybe someone else can suggest something else which is maybe a bit more than that. 1. Let me suggest 1.0 maybe, and then 2.5, 2.4, and then maybe 1.0 again. Let me try to see how it will move. You see, it's a bit small than what he was doing. It tried to give me a very good one, very good circle, and then it started moving around there. You see, so you can even create a square. You can even do all things you want. You can move your robots in all ways because no, in those three ways, like you assign the z-axis, x and y. You see, that's it. Do you have a question?